Claude Code is an absolute gigachad. Here we start with a large prompt, kind of more like a spec, and we're going to send this to Claude and see what he does. Claude completely gets it and gives us a plan and then asks us some clarifying questions, which are super specific and show that Claude has deeply understood the prompt that we have given it. So we answer all of its questions and Claude starts working. Claude identifies a syntax error even before we've begun and fixes it. Claude creates changes in a diff format for us to review. Pretty much all of this code looks good to us, so we're going to accept it. Now, up until this point, Claude has been modifying existing code, but here Claude has finally generated completely new code from the directions that we gave it in the prompt. This code is clear and concise and actually kind of mirrors the style around it, even though it's completely 100% generated by Claude himself. Claude then runs the code and finds out that it's producing some errors. He's going to actively debug his own code and figure out what went wrong. Claude encounters an error with the usage of one of the APIs that he's using, specifically the MySQL connector, and then tries many different variations in order to fix it. Ultimately, he does get it right and fixes the problem. Eventually, Claude encounters some problems with the code he's actually written, as in it's not really 100% correct. So he begins to debug the actual problems with the SQL statements and how he's assigning variables. And I decide to just sit back and let him do his thing, and he actually comes up with a resolution. Claude uses bash scripts with snippets of Python code to explore the types and figure out their best representation. He then updates his own code without any real prompting from me in order to make things work correctly. Here is the final output of Claude's code, which is 100% correct. And that is why